first generation black American Pilates teacher. Think of Pilates as tuning up the car for a long journey. I want you to move without moving. No matter where you go, you have to remember your center. Let your mind direct your body. It's really, really quiet. You got to know where your strong point is. And as you get better, try and go to the weak point. You don't do it physically. You do it mentally. You